Hold on, send that one.
No, let's try this one first.
Okay. This one. Old Otis.
Original control.
Oh, it's locked.
I was looking at that.
Ooh, yeah. This is at 1490 Mason Street in San Francisco. Send this one up to 2. So if you notice, that one has a replace indicator. This one does not.
It also doesn't have a lantern like that. Did it just...
There it is.
Yup, it's Alexa.
Oh my god. Whoo! Oh, beautiful. It's locked.
Hit 2. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's got the humming door operator. It's so weird how they modernized one car but left this one original.
I wish you could see that more often.
Painter's tape to simulate a frame on the wall. That's just painter's tape.
Yeah. Somebody started peeling it. Oh, I'm in the COVID square, too.
Yeah, I saw that.